Hello, this is Chad with Fishman Flooring Solutions, and on today's Product Knowledge Minute, we'll be discussing one of the hottest new products in our adhesive lineup, Powerhold 6373. Powerhold 6373 Premium Universal High-Tack Adhesive is an ultra-aggressive, pressure-sensitive adhesive formulated for the installation of dimensionally stable luxury vinyl tile and plank, including foam-backed tile and plank. This adhesive can also be used for carpet tile, including PVC and olefin-backed tiles, VCT, quartz tile, bio-based tile, fiberglass-backed sheet flooring, and vinyl-backed resilient sheet flooring. Powerhold 6373 is CRI Green Label Plus certified with a low VOC content. Some of the suitable substrates include concrete, properly prepared gypsum, APA-approved plywood, radiant heated subfloors, properly prepared single-layer VCT, and more. Powerhold 6373 is a moisture-tolerant acrylic polymer for use in installations up to 99% RH and 12 pH. These are excellent moisture and pH ratings, but please keep in mind that it doesn't form a moisture barrier. Use of a moisture mitigation barrier may be required for higher moisture concrete. There's no doubt that luxury vinyl tile is one of the fastest growing products in our industry. If you're on a project that requires a glue down installation, I'd urge you to check out Powerhold 6373. When used in a dry set installation, you can allow light foot traffic immediately and heavy foot traffic in 12 hours. If you need more information on this product, give us a call or log into our website at lfishman.com.